Hello, good morning. Hope you are doing well. Yeah, we are going to learn how to make some small graphs when we are in when we are just doing our descriptive statistic. We want to just make some graphs. How to do them is what we'll just be learning today. Okay, you just take your time to subscribe for those who have not yet subscribed, and it will allow you to have further videos. And if you need also training, you want to be trained from scratch up to advanced level with this amazing software you have just to get in touch with us. Okay, thank you. Then let's proceed. Let us take data from Woodridge as usually. Then for those one who have not have not yet this package, you need just to install it, and the way to get there is this one. Install Woodridge, but I will not run it since I have already it. Then Woodridge, and after that one you have just to load it. You have just to activate it. Then using this command called library. Library have Woodridge is what I need to now to activate it or to load it. Woodridge not found. See, normally I have it already. It's already installed. Not telling me that it's not found. Okay, let me run it. Since it's asking me to run it again, to install it again, I will just need Woodridge. Okay, it's coming. We're getting there. Then can now activate it now. Load it. Saying I will do the successful run part. Then I need now to load it. I finished with it now. And now from Woodridge, let us get this data called wage one. Okay. Now let us see the structure of wage one. It's wage one. We want to see how is the structure of wage one. Yeah. We have those data around here, and we can start to just throw some things and so on. Yeah, that is. Now let us proceed, saying that we want to have box plots. Okay, this kind of graph is giving amazing information when we are just using it. We'll start from there. Then let's say box plot. Yeah, I'll just use it like this. And now let us see how wage is behaving. Wage, the variable wage. Okay, we'll start from here, and we will be adding some small thing moving. Okay, now I can run. Okay, I have it now. It's coming. Now the information this one is giving me is like among those data which I have outliers which are there. Okay, we will not go in detail on this one, but we have videos talking about how to interpret it. Now let's ask we want just for example to have it be in different manner. Let's ask here saying that since we have female like this variable 1 and 0 which represents here like it's representing, this one is representing gender like female and male, and we want to have now the categories, how it's behaving, the categories of wage among female and male. Then we can add it as categorical variable, then using this one female, And we can just see running it. Okay, as you can see, this one is for female, this one is for male. Yeah, things like this. Now this one we have already a color, which is there. We can now change our color, saying that we want to have it in blue. Yes, and now adding it just become it in blue. And we want to give it, for example, the name. Then saying that main is wage of the two group. Of the two groups. Then you can see that if we run it as the name, okay, wage of the two group. Oh, but yeah, the two. That is just transforming it. It's the way we want it. Yeah, that's the box plot, which can give amazing information about what we need about the wage. And now, as you can see, the first variable should be quantitative discrete or quantitative continuous, the first one. And the second one is categorical variable given as categories. If you have many categories, here, for example, we have only one, two, this female binary one, then for this is given us to only two box plots. If you have many categories, it will come more than what we have there. Let's change the variable and you will see what I'm just saying. For example, when we have this variable having many categories, yes, we can now have many amazing things. Let us say, let me copy it first. Now put it there. Let's change in female. This one. And you will see what will help. Very amazing. You have something like this. Yeah, can you see? Very interesting. Wow. Yeah, very interesting. Yeah. Then let's change the colors. See something very, very, very interesting. Yeah. It's nice to see, even if for now we are not interpreting what is it, but it's very nice to see. Okay, let us proceed. Now using like histograms. Yeah, histogram, we can now use again wage to make our histogram. But here we need also a quantitative numeric one to draw our histogram. And from scratch, you can go there saying, okay, you can see what is here. Very interesting. And now let us change the color. Yeah, when histogram are coming in red, it's very interesting. Let's put them there. Histogram. Yeah. Yeah, we have the red one. Yeah. The what is interesting here, or the matter of this video, is just to show you how to make those graphs, not interpreting. We have other videos interpreting what those histograms graphs we are having. Okay, then after this one, let's us now proceed to bar plots. Okay, we need to understand something. Bar plot or bar chart is different from histograms. As you can see, histograms, everything is together. We are using our numeric data, numeric continuous data to make histograms. Yeah, and they are all together. But for bar plot, you can see that they are coming in group. And for this reason, you can see even small spaces among when we are just doing bar plots. It's representing things by group. That is bar charts different from histograms, but sometimes people are just confusing them. There is difference. Then here from example, because it's that, we'll be using something which is like what can I say, categorical variable. Here this one is categorical variable, the one we can use. But let's start from here and you will see something. I want to show you something before to come and correct it. Here for example, when running this one, can you see what we have? That one is complicated to interpret. It's a junk. What is happening is like among those variables we are having, we have many which were repeating a lot. Like we have 0 many times, 1 many times, and now we are just taking it like this to have our barcodes. Is for this reason we can have things like that. Not nice to see or not easy to interpret. It's for this reason now we need normally to make frequency of them before to use them. And at that moment now, they can come in group, yeah, and that one will be interesting. The same bar plots I'm just using, can you see how it can come? Okay, it's becoming things like this. Very interesting also, very nice to see. That is what is happening. Then it depends on how your variable is. You can use it directly or make table before to use it as a bar plots. That is. Yeah, then let us proceed. Then we can have something like this. You will see how it will be nice now, right now. Yeah. Nice to see. Now let us say that we want to give it the name is we are talking about. Well, let's say the variation of the age, the wage, wage variation. Yeah. Yeah. Very, very nice. Now then we have something like this. Giving it the name wage variation. That is. Now we finish with bar plot, and you can see now the difference between bar plots and histograms. We have those spaces, and those one are coming in groups, what we are calling bar chart or bar plot. Okay. We have also what we are calling P chart or P plot. Okay. P is just those one coming in circle. It's the same thing like bar plot. They are representing things in group. Then since we need since it's like that, we need also categorical variable to do that. Then from there, let's say that when I'm just taking it, it will come also something we cannot interpret, even if it is nice. We can have this kind of things, and after we arrange it. Yeah. Can you see? Well, at least it's amazing. It's very nice to see, but how can we interpret that one? Yeah. Meaning that things, categorical things coming are very a lot. We need to make them in group before to have a nice things and so on. Then let's go and do that. P. You will see how it will come now. Very interesting. Wow. We have something coming in group, but we can make it better, like changing the radius. Say that radius equal 1 will give us something big. Can you see? We can increase it, changing the radius and so on. And also we can change the color also. Have something like that. Very nice. We have another one coming in 3D. Yeah, 3D. Which can give us a nice picture for this one. Then for it, I think I need this library plot list before to proceed there. Since I have already, I will not install it again. And now I can have another picture. Very nice to see. Yeah, very nice. Can you see? Yeah, that is. I think that's what we just. That one is from graphics and basic things. You can use when you are doing your discrete statistics to present graphs and so on. I hope that it will help you. We'll be having our other video where we'll be using ggplot. There are some kind of plots we need to do. ggplot is just the package which is allowing us to have graphs and scatter plot. Those one also come in very nicely, and with it we can do more things about graphs and so on. I hope that this one will help you when you will be just doing your work. Thank you so much. Have a good day.